Microwaves. This is a World War II attempt to communicate using microwaves. And they found out some guy's chocolate bar melted in the microwave field. And they said, what happened there? And they did some more tests. And of course, the water molecule and other molecules common in food respond to microwaves. It vibrates them. And so you put food in a microwave cavity, the water content of the food vibrates, friction cooks the food. There's still people today who say, oh, nuke this.
But people are afraid of microwaves. The one thing that they're afraid of
It's not that they're afraid of
ignorance.
microwaves, that they're afraid of things they don't understand. That's your point.
So you don't have to worry about it. It's not doing anything to it. It's not sucking any nutrients out or adding any nuclear radiation.
Correct. In the context of stuff that would hurt you. So that would be radiation of high enough energy to hurt you, and microwaves are not in that category.